guys, today I would like to explain one of my project. So before to explain the project, myself I am Prashant. I am pursuing MTech second year with respected stream of mechanical engineering in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada. What's the project is? It's a multi-stand for immersion heater. What's the multi-stand for immersion heater? Actually, we are using daily our immersion heater in our so many buckets. Actually, here buckets are different sizes. So whenever the buckets are different sizes with different diameters, so we have to keep our immersion heater in that bucket. So some of the times the coil touches the bucket, so on that time the plastic bucket will melt. And another thing, suppose we use some any metal buckets, so it has a possibility to produce current shock. I will show the problem where the problem is arising. So you see here the immersion heater, and this is the tub. So this tub is very large size, and here if we have to keep the immersion heater like this, so here if you observe here the coil will touches the plastic material. So on the time whenever we keep it in current, then automatically the plastic bucket will melt. So this is the problem will be arising. And another thing here also, you see here it is a steel casing. So here also it cannot withstand it because of here height is different. So here the coil directly touches the steel bucket here. So here whenever it can touch, so automatically, suppose here outside when our water is passing on the time, so on the time the electric shock is produced, it has a possibility to produce electric shock. And here also you can observe here this is the thickness is very small size, but compared to that mug, compared to that tub, this tub thickness is very small size. So in this time also it is not possibility to keep the stand like this way. So in this time also the coil touches the bucket. So problems are arising so many ways. And here also you observe here it is also not possibility to, because of this is the aluminum material. Okay, whatever the material, first of all the coil touches the bucket, and these all are different diameters of the sizes and different materials. This is the stand. First of all you see here this is a rectangular bar stand, and this is the side U-shaped clamps. So this is the side bar holders. So these holders are used to hold the bucket, the diameter of the bucket. So then automatically it gives the supporting to this rectangular bar, and this is the stand to keep the immersion heater in this one. So here we need to keep like this way. And another thing, based on that bucket diameter, we need to change these sizes like this. We can move like this way. So suppose if it is a tub, so we can keep like this way. Suppose it is a bucket, we can keep it like this way. And the center point, the immersion heater, we hang this position. So here it can also move. I think it's tight, so that's why it is not moving. So here it's a small kind of screws are there. So whenever you lose this one, then automatically we need to change this because of our position. Because some of the buckets are not a circular shape, so it's some different shapes. So on that time it is very helpful and it's very useful. Okay, first I am to fitting the stand. Here the coil touches the bucket clearly. You see here. So by using this stand, I will keep the stand into this tub. So you see clearly. So here we have to keep the stand. So you can tighten these nuts for that height varying. Whenever the height varying, you have to hold this one. So whenever we hold these things, so then it automatically will tight. Then here you see this. Suppose we have the immersion, so we have to keep like this way. So and another thing, here also some nuts are there in this bottom. So whenever we lose the nuts, then automatically it will be down. So this one will be down this side. Then automatically it will also down. So the immersion heater will be kept into that bottom place. Okay, this is the good example for this one. You observe here I am wearing this stand. It will come this side. So I will keep it this and the washer and tightening that. Okay, see here. So see here this is the variation. So here the side clamped U-shaped clamps are varying the different sizes. So incline, so we have to change these dimensions also. So suppose actually before the time, the last time this height is this much size, but here this height is this much size, because of we have varying the size of the U-shaped clamps. So here you see here. So if we can clearly observe this, then it will be stand up to here. The past time it is come to up to here, but this time up to here. Actually here the tub size is this much size, I mean tub diameter is this much size. So here the bucket diameter is very small compared to the tub. So you see here the stand is also, we can varying this time, this one to that side, to this side, to that side. So for holding these kinds of nuts, these nuts are very useful for holding the bucket. And here also we can use like this way. So here you see here, so you see in a clarity. Here also the coil cannot touches the bucket, and we are in safe zone. For a long time users, this stand is very useful. The people are using these immersion heaters only for warming the water for either purpose like drinking or bathing, whatever the purpose. So we can see the next one. Here you observe that this diameter is compared to bucket and compared to mug, this diameter is very, very small. So here you observe that here also we can hang the immersion heater in a proper manner. You see here, in the bottom space is there. If you cannot use this stand, then automatically it can be like this, and here the coil touches it and coil touches the tub. So in this time, then automatically possibility to the tub will melt. So that is the reason we have to varying this size. The coil cannot touches the tub. So that is the one of the good possibility here. So guys, here you see, actually initially we need to start the immersion heater. We keep by using this stand, we kept the immersion heater on the tub, later bucket, and later the steel tub, and later this plastic small size tub, and later this is a small box, not box, it's a some storage can. So here you see here, actually if we keep like this, then automatically the coil will touch us, and some of the chances to not warming the water, electrical shocks. So by using this stand, we have to keep like this. Here you observe very clearly the coil cannot touches the surface of the can. So finally this is the project. Okay, now you can stop. So finally here you observe everything. Here these all are different kinds of diameters and within different heights. So for all these things we need to use for only this stand. So this stand is very helpful to warming the water. So you see here very clearly, and you see here nuts also. So by using these nuts we can vary in this size also, like this side to this side. Suppose if any different shapes of tubs or buckets are there, some of the top surface is closed and some of the bottom and remaining half is it will not close. So on the time also we can vary this. So based on these diameters, based on these side U clamp holders, we can varying the diameter. And another thing is, by using these side clamp holders we can fit the bucket. It cannot move in a different kind, so it can be in a proper manner, it can withstand itself. And these nuts are used to hold this one. And here these are the nuts. So these nuts, by using these nuts very clearly, we need to close or open this one. I mean, you have to lose or tightening by using these nuts. It will be very good. So that's my project. But here you see here, so this is the large size of drum. So in this drum also we can fit our stand. Thank you for watching my video and to know about my project. And what I want to say, the thing is, innovative, do innovative, think innovative. So be innovative in the sense, whenever you go outside, so you have to think some innovative. Everyone will think like the only single kind of manner, but you think in different kind of manner. And whenever we went outside, we seen so many problems. So on the problems, we found that okay, there is no solution for these kind of problems. So everyone will think like that. Actually, our parents, some of the parents are not educated, so they don't know how to get the solution, all these things. And we are the students right now, and we need to get the solution compared to remaining countries. So we are in a not a first position, we are in some of the good positions, but we need to get in a good position. I mean first position, the best position. So right now USA is there, so compared to that one, our India is some of the things compared to USA, our India is very good, and some of the little bit things India lost so many things, and we have to import so many things from different countries. So by using some little bit these kind of projects, we have to implement so many projects, and in the future days we are the leading positions and we are the winners. So thank you for watching. Thank you.